So welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to create dynamic auto arrows indicator in Excel. So stop manually typing arrows in your Excel dashboards. There is a much faster way to automate your data visualization using custom numbers formatting. So first select your data range and right click and go to the format cells. So head to the customs category and remove the general and paste this formula. So make sure the first part of this code tells Excel to turn positive number green with an up arrow, while the second part of this code turns negative numbers red with a down arrow. So hit OK, and now your dashboard instantly looks like a professional and dynamic. So no conditional formatting rules required. Like and subscribe for more Excel time-saving tricks. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.